That's an AA car.
Yes.
Do you know what year or what?
1955.
Okay. Now, what happened? How you then came across a picture of the real thing?
Yes.
Do
Yeah.
you,
It's an eBay find, as most things are nowadays. So
how did you manage to actually trace it back to that photograph?
just purely by the number plate, really.
Really, it was that simple.
Yes. Yeah.
I see. And you reckon that they were on the roads for a couple of years?
I'm
but not
thinking
much.
I've been talking to people generally about AA stuff, so it's 2-3 years, and then they got sold off to the general public. So
Those particular cars.
Yes.
Yeah.
yeah, this wasn't actually brought by the AA to start off with. It was actually sold to a dealership, and then the AA bought it from a dealership.
I see. So, what sort of state was that in when it came your way?
Very poor.
What did you have to do? Would you like to just go
we-
round and describe it all?
We have literally taken everything off it, fully rebuilt everything. It was such a poor state. Hadn't done many miles, but it'd been in a scrapyard for 30 years. Yeah, just sitting there looking sorry for itself. So it's ended up with a lot of new panels and new parts.
So the bumper's new, the lights are new.
Bumpers new, wings are new. I've still got its original wings, but they were too far to go.
And that paint, how did you get that effect? It's totally authentic.
Yeah, we did took it to our local paint people, and then they analysed it, and that's as close as we could come up with the colour. So when it's finished, we will have AA emblems on both front wings as well. So.
Yeah. Did it have any stickers or travel things?
It had been sign written, as in by the. You can see it had road service, then AA. Then on the sides of the hardtop was AA and road service as well. So.
And what about round the other side and inside? Did you have much to do there?
Yeah, it's all been totally painted.
Refurbished?
Yeah, we've still got the roof to do, the bonnet, as you can see.
Yeah. And yes, what's happened to the bonnet? It's all rust, is it?
No, it's where it's been painted. It was originally a green vehicle.
Okay.
When the AA got them, they just literally painted them yellow. It only masked everything up. They didn't go to town. And then obviously when it got sold from the AA, they painted it back to a green colour. And that's what this brown is, believe it or not. That is actually green, where it's been just, the weather's got to it.
When do you think it's going to be roadworthy?
Should have been about 3 months ago, but I started doing another project in between. So I was waiting for some bits to turn up for it. They've turned up now, so we can finish it. And it'll be there's about a good week's worth of work, and it'll be finished. So.
And then send it on to somebody who's.
No, it'd be.
You're going.
Yeah, it'd be staying here.
It's such a lovely colour.
I haven't got a yellow one, so I thought we'd have a yellow one.